Hello everybody, it is Mindy and I'm here with some diamond paintings to show you from Coodeals. There's some exciting changes here at Coodeals and I'm looking forward to showing them to you. A couple things I've asked him about since he has started his own business, and let's get into it and let's show them to you. Okay, let me move all this aside. I've taken everything out of the packaging because I wanted to get things to lay nice and flat and all that good stuff for us. Okay, so let me slide one over here. And first of all, they come in bags like this. Okay, nice little bag like that, all rolled up in there and stuff. There's one that came in like a double bag, and I don't think I'm able to keep that one because of its size. Anyhow, I got a free gift, which is labels, all the DMC codes. And we also have blank and ecru and those things. And this is like release paper, double-sided. I think it's double-sided. Anyhow, there's that. So each of them came with a toolkit, looks like that, with your boat, pen, some tweezers, baggies, wax. That's what their toolkit looks like. And this is the first one I picked out. Now, I searched for all of these images to see if I could find artists, and I could not. So I went with them, okay, just so you know. This is a 40 by 40, and they always have like your name on it, like this is D and M for my initials for my name. It's supposed to be a 40 by 40. I don't think it's quite that large, so let's give it a little measure real quick. And let's see, we get 35, so it's 35 by 35. Remember, these are all printed right there at their shop. Okay, they do everything themselves. We have a legend over here with the thumbnail. It's just this cute little snowman. I thought it was adorable, and it has 29 colors. So let me tell you, the first thing that has changed is this. Their canvases now come with the self-flattening soft back canvas. I've tried to peel the plastic back here and flatten these as best I can. So we have that. The pinked edges, we got the plastic covering, and they have a really sticky glue, okay? This one here has 29 colors on its legend, and let me show you what comes in with the bag of drills. So we'll get into those, and we got another surprise in here, another change in the bag. I'll show you that. All right. All of them come with an inventory sheet. Looks like this. That's our image. It was super cute. Just this snowman. I loved the colors in the snowman, the greens and the blues. All of our symbols are here. Number 1, here's the symbol. It is color 300, tells you how many, and it's like a half a bag. Okay. So this, you can cut this out. You could run it through a Xyron sticker maker to make your own stickers. Right? It's nice. And the next thing I want you to notice is these R's at the bottom, 5200, 798, and 996. They're now including ABs. Yes. I've been asking him, can you get ABs? Can you get ABs? So the day has arrived, and I'm going to try to find those ABs. There is 1, and there is 2, and there is number 3. There they are. Okay, so the rest of our colors, I'll just pull out some. These are not in any particular order in here. So we got some pretty greens, yellows, blues, brown. Of course, we have brown. He has twig arms, right? So here's some more pretty colors. Look at that green. That's pretty. Blues, teals. I thought this just had beautiful, beautiful colors. All right. So let's look at these ABs up close. Of course, we have 5200 white. I mean, we have snow. It's a snowman. Why wouldn't we have white? 996 and 798. Now, I'll give a quick glance, quick glance, and see if I can find some. There's some U's in the hat. There's some U's down in here. The white is the S, so his whole body is going to be white AB. And there's white down in here along the bottom, the moon, and other little places you see white, we'll get some white AB. And then the T is the other blue, and it's in the hat. It comes around the whole snowman's body here, and there's some over in here. So we're going to go with that. We're not going to spend a ton of time looking for ABs, but I wanted you to know they're in there, and those are the colors. I think he's super cute. I like it. Nice size. Oops, I should have put that in there. I'll do that in a minute. Okay, next. Let's show you the next one. Okay, I had to get a gnome, right? And this is a Valentine gnome. How cute is he? Same toolkit. This one has 30 colors, and down here at the bottom, it looks like it also has 3 ABs. So I'm certain you know what colors we're going to get here. Let's hunt for the ABs. Here's one. You know what this is for, right? That's the background. So we have, I'm just going to have to pull these out, it looks like. Lots of reds and pinks. There's an AB. Okay. There's 2 of them. I think I just found the other one. Here we go. More reds and pinks. There's a little bit of brown. There's the other AB. All right. So all of these pretty colors. Look at those. Even some purple in there. All right. No need to take out the sheet. We've already, we've discussed what the inventory sheets look like. Well, I can show you the picture. Here's the picture. Most of it, anyhow. And here's the 3 ABs that it comes with. So there's a light pink, 963. There's 602, which is a rosy pink, and 603. So those are right next to each other. One a little bit lighter, one a little bit darker. All right. So the V is the very light pink. It's in the heart. It's in these little petals here. Some here, some here, some here. The U, well, the U and the T are both of these colors. So we're just going to we're going to glance together. And they do come together. Here's the T, comes around here. That's the darker one. And around here, and then some of the U. So you kind of get the point of how that's going to like outline things. Okay? Pretty. Super pretty. All right. So that is that one. Then the next one, this one that I kept seeing them advertise like on all their social medias, and I was like, okay, we've gotta get this one. Gotta get her. Okay. So wow. I would have to, I think I would have to actually put drills on this one to see how it turns out. This has 2 pieces of plastic. It's looking a little, I don't know. What do I want to say? Blotchy. Blotchy. That seems to be a good word. Let me show you the picture real quick. This is what the picture looks like. And she's really beautiful. Now, is it the size? I don't know. Is it, look at this pretty color. Look at that. It could be absolutely just fine. Okay, how many ABs does this one have? It has 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I'm not finding any of them right away here. Look at the colors though. This one's square drill. What were the others? I don't even remember. Let's see. I have a feeling the others were both round. That one is, yep. And that one is, yeah. And I got this one in squares for the detail purpose, to give it, look at those. Pretty. Oh, ABs, where are you? They're not popping out yet. Let's see. Okay, here's one. Got 1. I got 2. 3. Sorry, I have developed a really nice little sinus infection. I had a cold and now it's a sinus infection. It's great, right? Oh, look at that. That's 939. A lot of dark background. It's not 310. There is some 310, but not very much of it. The main color, the dark, is at $9.39. But there's pretty colors. Okay. All right. Let's put these back in here. Like I said, they're in no particular order in this bag, so I'll just put them back in here. And I remember the days when I used to go through all of these and check them off. And there's the 310s. There's quite a few, but I don't do that anymore. Okay, so here's our 4 colors. We have 208 purple, very pretty AB. 211 purple. Now I got my 200 family. We got 904 green. And we have a nice big bag of the 5200 white. All right, so let's see. 904, this green. It's a very weird symbol. It's, I don't know, it's like an X with a line through the middle of it. It's a very interesting symbol. It's down in here in the greenery. And my guess is probably up here in the greenery. Yep, there's some in here. Some in here. And some over here where we have all the greenery. Okay, that makes sense. The white is, oh, what is that? It's like an H and an O got together. And they're down here. Okay. All of this is the white AB. Some here on the top of her shoulder. There's a few in here. Where else? The wings. Oh, all of the inner part of the wings get the white AB. That's pretty. All right, we'll look for the purples together, and they are an arrow and a weird L. Arrow and a weird L. Here's the arrow right here, and here's that weird, like, backwards L I was saying. This is a very soft and supple canvas with that, you know, the soft back to it. And then up here in the flower on her head there, in her hair, there's a couple in there. So that's it, folks. So what do you think? I mean, we're making advancements. And like I said, I did look to see if I could find artists for these, and I couldn't. I don't want to just blatantly, you know, show something that is artist work. You know, a lot of this stuff is probably AI created. And, you know, however you feel about the AI stuff, it's a long conversation. It's only at the beginning. It's not going to go away. And it'll be interesting to see how things shape up, you know, over time here with more discussion about it. But anyhow, that's what I got from Coodeals. I think they're all very pretty. I really love the snowman and her the best, really, seriously. The snowman's just adorable, though. So thanks for watching, everybody. And sorry you had to listen to the gravelly voice of sickness coming at you, but it is what it is. So, all right. I'll be talking to you soon. Hit that like button, subscribe, and all those fun things that you do when you watch YouTube. I appreciate it greatly. And I'll be talking to you soon. Bye, everybody.